Okay, so day of the party, birthday domination. I'm going to do this quick while this is gone. So we have given it a quick mow, and we've come in, we've got the stripes on an angle, so people come up the driveway and they're like, whoa. Let's see if we can get an angle of that later. We're going to have TP set up over there so girls can play cubby houses. We've got the tiki torches, we've got the GD garden lanterns down the middle. We've got the ice chest over there. Move those chairs there later. Gonna have Persian rug on the lawn. It won't be there too long, so it won't hurt it. That's why it's not there now. Driveway looking very tight. I'll move all the cars so that people can park out in front. I'll move all the cars up the street so people can park out in the front. Looking tight. Flag from Stray Day yesterday. Air conditioner on inside for all of us that can't handle 26 degrees. Now what I'm thinking, I think I'll get the boys out on display just to, it's any men that come, they got a talking point, you know, because like it's a girls' party, so you gotta cater for everybody here. Right, let's see how we go. So I think we'll see what that looks like coming up the driveway. And you're like greeted by like total domination, you know, and all the wives sort of during the night will pick on their husbands and say, why doesn't our lawn look this good? And you'll know, and then he'll come and ask me for tips. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Yeah, no, that's happening. Alright, check this out. I mean, there is no limit to my greatness, so you're gonna have people coming in and out of this thing, like, you know, like in and out, getting drinks. But what a lot of people do, they throw the lid open. But if you put the recycling bin there when they come to drop off their drink, then it's going to hit that and it's not going to snap off the hinges. Pro tip. Okay, so the 200-pound gorilla ended up breaking his brand new mower that we got him, so the pull cord is fucked. But the great thing about the Briggs is you can pretty much pull them off anything and they should be the same. Here's one we prepared earlier, so we'll wait for him to undo all the screws again. Oh, actually, probably that little silver bit on the side, maybe pull that off. Yes. It's just supposed to hold the throttle cable, which doesn't exist. Don't put it through your hand. Yay! Yeah, you just don't need that bit.
Are you sure?
Yep. Too far back. Alright. Yep, looks good. Very natural. Can you find the hole? Righto. Moment of truth. It's alive! It's alive! Fucking winner. Righto. Well, now what are we going to do for the rest of the day? Oh no, we're going to mow the lawn!